Ammonium muriaticum Allen's notes. Specially adapted to those who are fat and sluggish or body large and fat but legs too thin. Watery acrid coryza corroding the lip. During menses, diarrhea and vomiting, bloody discharge from the bowels, neuralgic pains in the feet, flow more profuse at night. Obstinate constipation, accompanied by much flatter, hard crumbling stools require great effort in expulsion, crumble from the verge of anus, vary in color, no two stools alike. Hemorrhoids, sore and smarting, with burning and stinging in the rectum for hours after stool, especially after suppressed leukorrhea. Leukorrhea, like white of egg, preceded by gripping pain about the level, browny, slimy, painless after every urination. Sensation of coldness in the back between scapula. Hamstrings feel painfully short when walking, tension in joints as from shortening of the muscles, offensive sweat of the foot, alumina graphia sorinum sanincula silicea. Relations followed by antimicrude phosphorus pulsatilla sanincula. Ammonium muriaticum boric materia medica. A state of prostration bordering on a typhoid state produced by this remedy. All mucus secretions are increased and retained. It is specially adapted to fat and sluggish patients who have respiratory troubles, coughs associated with catarrhs and affections of liver, a tendency to irregular circulation. Blood seems to be constant turmoil pulsations. Many groups of symptoms are accompanied by cough, profuse glary secretions. Its period of aggravations are peculiarly divided as to the bodily region affected. Thus, the head and chest symptoms are worse mornings, the abdominal in the afternoon, the pains in the limbs, the skin and febrile symptoms in the evenings. Boiling sensation, mind melancholy, apprehensive like from internal grief, desire to cry but cannot, consequences of grief. Head, hair falls out with itchings and dandruff, feels full compressed worse mornings. Eyes, mist before eyes, optical illusions in incipient cataract, capsular cataract. Nose, free acrid hot watery discharge corroding the lips, sneezing, nose sore to touch, ulcerative pain in nostrils, loss of smell, obstructed stuffy feeling, constant and unavailing efforts to blow it out, itching. Face, inflammatory face ache, mouth and lips sore and excoriated, throat throbbing in and swelling of tonsils, can scarcely swallow, sore spot behind vulva, relieved by eating, internal and external swelling of throat with viscid phlegm, so tough it cannot be hawked up, tonsillitis, stricture of esophagus, stomach, thirst for lemonade, regurgitation of food, bitter water brash, nausea, gnawing in stomach, epigastric pain immediately after eating, cancer of stomach, abdomen, splenic stitches, especially in the morning with difficult breathing, pain around navel, abdominal symptoms appear during pregnancy, chronic congestion of liver, excessive fatty deposit around abdomen, much flatter, strained feeling in groin. Rectum, itching and hemorrhoids, soreness with pustules, hard crumbly stool or covered with glary mucus, stinging in perineum, green mucus stools alternate with constipation. During and after stool, burning and smarting in rectum, hemorrhoids after suppressed leukorrhea. Female, menses too early, too free, dark, clotted, flow more at night. Pain as if sprained in left side of abdomen during pregnancy. Diarrhea, greenish mucus stools and navel pain during menses. Leukorrhea like white of an egg with pain about the navel, brown, slimy after every urination. Respiratory, hoarseness and burning in larynx, dry, hacking, scraping cough, worse lying on back or right side. stitches in chest, cough loose in afternoon with profuse expectoration and rattling of mucus, oppression of chest, burning at small spot in chest, scanty secretion, cough with profuse salivation. Back, icy coldness between shoulders, not relieved by warm covering, followed by itching. Bruised pain in coccyx when sitting, backache as if in a vice when sitting. Extremities, pain as from ulceration in fingertips, shooting and tearing in tips of fingers and toes. Ulcerative pain in heels, contraction of hamstring tendons. Sciatica, worse sitting, better lying, neuralgic pain in amputated limbs. Offensive sweaty feet, pain in feet during menses. Skin, itching generally evenings, blisters on various parts, intense burning, better cold applications, fever, chilliness evenings after lying down and on awakening without thirst. Heat in palms and soles, subacute, low fevers due to unhealthy climate, lowest potencies. Modalities, better open air, worse head and chest symptoms in the morning, abdominal symptoms in the evening. Relationship, antidotes, coffea, nux, causticum, compare, calcarea, senega, causticum, dose, third to sixth potency.